Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. You all know that we were teach in last class how to write fruits name. So today I will ask you some related questions and I will teach you how to write questions and answer in the notebook. So let's start question answer. First question is, which fruit is the king of fruit? What is the answer of this question? Mango. What is the answer of this question? Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Okay. Next question is, which fruit has much water in it? Think. What is the answer of this question? The answer of this question is watermelon. And what is the spelling of watermelon? Watermelon. Watermelon. Okay. Next question is, why should we eat fruit? What is the answer of this question? हमें फ्रूट क्यों खाते हैं? हमें फ्रूट क्यों खाने चाहिए? The answer of this question is for good health. Okay, next question is, what is the color an apple? Give me answer. You know that? What is the Okay, I will tell. The answer of this question is red. The answer of this question is red. And what is the spelling of red? R-E-D, red. Okay. Okay, next question is, what is the color of banana? What is the color of banana? What is the answer of this question? The answer is yellow. Okay. I hope you all understood, and if you have any problem in question answer, you can send me message by chat. Okay, now I am showing you your EVS book, I mean picture dictionary book, and open your page number 4 and 5 your book. Topic is fruits. You recognize fruits. Which fruit? Apple. This banana. This lychee. This papaya. This pineapple. And this peach. And this strawberry. And this cherry. And this mango. And this grapes. And this pear. And this raspberry. Next fruit is, this is orange, and this muskmelon, and this kiwi. This is pomegranate. This is custard apple. This is apricot, and this coconut, and this watermelon. This is chiku, and this dragon fruit, and this guava. Answer. Always you remember, before start your work, you will mention date, then topic, and then heading. Topic is fruits. 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 And draw the underline also. And heading is write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N. Question. A-N-D. And A-N-S-W-E-R-S. Answers. Write questions and answers. Okay. First question is, mention here question number first, and question is W H I C H, which F R U I T, which fruit is THE, the KING, king, of THE, the FRUITS, fruits. And question mark. Question is, which fruit is the king of the fruit? वह कौन सा फ्रूट है जो कि फलों का राजा कहा जाता है? The answer is, you will write here answer, and answer is mango. MANGO, mango. And dot, always first letter capital of the spelling. The answer is mango. Okay, next question. Write question number second. W H I C H, which F R U I T S, which fruit a day, 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 KEEPS, keeps, THE, the, DOCTOR, doctor, AWAY. And question answer. Question is, which fruit a day keeps the doctor away? वो कौन सा फ्रूट है जो हमें डॉक्टर से दूर रखता है? Right answer here, and answer of this question is apple. APPLE, apple. The answer is apple. I will repeat again. First question is, which fruit is the king of the fruits? Answer is mango. Second question is, which fruit a day keeps the doctor away? Answer is apple. I hope you all are understood this topic. If you have any problem related to this topic, you can send me message, and if you have any other problems related to app, तो send me message by chat. अगर आपको असाइनमेंट सबमिट करवाने में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है या फिर आपको लाइव क्लासेस में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, आप लाइव क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, उसमें आपको लाइव क्लासेस अटेंड करने का ऑप्शन नहीं मिल रहा है, तो आप ओवरव्यू में जाके उसमें नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस है, गो टू लाइव, उसमें आपके फोल्डर बैचेस बने हुए हैं। बैचेस को जैसे आप ओपन करेंगे तो उसमें होगा गो टू लाइव, उसमें जाके आप लाइव क्लासेस अटेंड कर सकते हैं। अगर देन आपको फिर भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो आप हमें मैसेज कीजिए चैट बॉक्स में जाके, जिससे कि हम आपकी प्रॉब्लम को सॉर्ट आउट कर सकें और स्टडी का भी लॉस ना हो। ओके, अगर फिर भी आपको और भी कोई अगर प्रॉब्लम्स है रिलेटेड टू स्टडी, related to topic, related to app, can send me message by chat box with write your name. Okay, and today's topic is clear. If you have any problem related to this topic, also you can send me message. Okay, and submit your assignment on time. Okay, bye children. Now we are meeting our next class.